Welcome to Bike Update, your go-to channel for the latest news and updates on cars and bikes. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mahindra Bolero, a vehicle that continues to set benchmarks in the SUV segment. Whether you're a fan of rugged off-roaders or looking for a dependable family car, the Bolero is an option worth exploring. Let's find out what the 2025 model brings to the table. Design and exterior updates. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero retains its iconic tough and boxy design, but with a modern touch. The new model features a revised front grille, sleeker headlamps, and updated LED DRLs, giving it a fresh and bold look. Its high ground clearance and sturdy body design continue to emphasize its off-road capabilities. Mahindra has also introduced new dual-tone color options, adding to the vehicle's appeal. Interior comfort and features. Step inside, and you'll find a well-thought-out interior with modern conveniences. The dashboard has been updated with a larger infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Seating comfort has been improved with better cushioning and additional legroom. With dual-tone upholstery and practical storage spaces, the Bolero blends functionality with style. Safety remains a priority, with features like dual airbags, ABS, and rear parking sensors included. Engine and performance. The 2025 Bolero comes with Mahindra's tried and tested 1.5-liter M-Hawk diesel engine, delivering 75 horsepower and 210 meters of torque. This engine is known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs, making it a favorite among rural and urban users alike. It's paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, offering a smooth and responsive driving experience, whether on highways or rough terrains. Technology and connectivity. Mahindra has upped the tech game in the 2025 Bolero. The SUV now includes a semi-digital instrument cluster, remote keyless entry, and a smartphone-enabled connected car app. These features enhance convenience and give the Bolero a competitive edge in the market. Pricing and variants. Mahindra offers the 2025 Bolero in 3 variants, B4, B6, and B60, catering to different budgets and preferences. Mahindra Bolero price for the base model starts at Rs 9.79 lakh and the top model price goes up to Rs 10.91 lakh, average ex-showroom, making it one of the most affordable SUVs in its class. With its value-for-money proposition, the Bolero continues to dominate its segment. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero is a blend of rugged durability and modern features, perfectly suited for Indian roads. Whether you need a vehicle for daily commutes or adventurous getaways, the Bolero won't disappoint. Its reliability, affordability, and practicality make it a strong contender in the SUV market. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive updates. Drop your thoughts on the new Bolero in the comments below. See you in the next video.